how to create a Kanban board in OneNote. So if you want to create a Kanban board in OneNote, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So let me tell you that Microsoft OneNote doesn't have a built-in Kanban feature, but you can simply create a Kanban board using tables, sections, or tags. So first you need to open up your OneNote and create a new page. Then open up your Microsoft OneNote and create a new notebook or section for your Kanban board. Click on Add Page to start a fresh Kanban board. You need to set up your Kanban. So first you need to click on Insert, Table, and then create a table with 3 to 5 columns for different workflow stages. You can resize the columns for better visibility. Once done, you need to go and add the task to each column, and then move the task between columns. Drag and drop tasks or cut and paste them between columns as work progresses. After that, enhance with colors or formatting and highlight urgent tasks with colors or bold text. Add due dates and team assignments using text or mentions. In this way, you'll be able to create a Kanban board in OneNote. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.